Hey everyone, this is Hannah with the Greenshades software tax team. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 15 tips and tricks for your year-end filing. Tip number 3, verify your identification numbers. Many companies receive penalties each year as a result of mismatched identification numbers such as Social Security and taxpayer identification numbers. You can use the verification tools built into Greenshades year-end forms to validate the identification numbers for your recipients before filing. Make sure you have copies of the W-4 and W-9 forms for each of your employees and vendors.